One prompt, one single prompt, and it built an entire 8-ball pool game. And this, a full 3D city with cars that actually stops at the red light in just a single message. This is Claude Opus 4.6, and honestly, this is the best model in this world right now. Let me show you how. The first big thing is Opus 4.6 can now handle 1 million token of context right now, which is much more than 4.5. But what does it actually mean? It means you can literally throw an entire code base into it, provide months of legal documentation, and it won't forget anything. Yes, Opus 4.6 have fixed this. It scored 72% on retrieval benchmark. Talking about coding, it improved massively. It can plan better, it debugs better, and it catches in its own mistakes and solve them automatically. So you can just hand it over a task and walk away. Now the next one is a little wild. In Claude Code, there's a new feature called Agent Teams. Instead of one single AI working on your entire project step by step, you can spin up multiple agents through it. Like one will handle your front end, another will handle your back end, and another one handles your database. And the best part, they can communicate to each other. And it's like having a full-fledged dev team. There's this feature called Co-work in Claude app. So it basically have all the access to your computer. It can create a documentation, spreadsheet, presentation, whatever you want. It can access your browser as well and take action on behalf of you. It's basically a Claude Code with better UI and for non-technical people. I've been using Twitter from a very long time, and what people are doing there is actually insane. Let me show you. This dude literally typed one prompt into Opus 4.6 and got this full working 8-ball pool game with just a single prompt. The physics, the pockets, everything was on point. And then there's this one, a full 3D cityscape with cars driving through it. Again, this isn't something a team built. One person with just Claude Opus 4.6. And just like how insane it was, we will insane automation like this to fast forward your workflow. If you want something custom for your business, maybe a web application or automation, that's what we exactly do. You can book your first free appointment from the link below in the description. And if this video was helpful to you, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.